We showed you some of the illegal fireworks going off in Azusa last night. Neighbors called it a war zone. And last night, the sky was filled with smoke. This morning, the street littered with trash and debris. Neighbors came out to clean it up. No word yet on whether anyone was fined for setting off fireworks there. And you probably heard illegal fireworks all last night and smelled and saw that smoke in the air. Dozens of people were sighted in the Inland Empire, including one man who's accused of stockpiling 1,500 pounds of illegal fireworks at his home. NBC4's Tony Shin has that story.
July 4th at Lake Elsinore. A barrage of illegal fireworks exploding in the sky. On the ground, sheriff's deputies and code enforcement officers on patrol in Riverside County, giving out dozens of citations and even arresting a Lake Elsinore man at his home.
And all I've ever done is put on a fireworks show that, allows people to celebrate Independence Day.
Howard Steve Lawrence is the man who was arrested. He says for more than a decade he's been putting on fireworks shows for his family and neighbors.
And it's nothing dangerous and it's nothing scary.
Everybody enjoys it. We all have a good time. A few people get drunk, but I mean, that's 4th of July.
Neighbors who support Lawrence brought over a can with money to help pay for his defense. He faces 1 count of being in possession of dangerous fireworks, which is a felony.
And it's just awful to see what happened to him. That's why we all put a donation in for him, because we all care about him.
And he's a wonderful neighbor.
Amen.
And we love him.
Thank you.
But Code Enforcement Director Bob McGee says illegal fireworks are dangerous, especially when people set them off in neighborhoods.
They don't respect the impact that this has on our veteran community that have come back from Afghanistan and have PTSD.
Fire officials in Hemet say they responded to 19 fires last night that were started by illegal fireworks, including one that burned right next to a nursing home.
I don't think people understand the danger and that the damage it caused to people, and it's going to have to be up to the individual to resist that temptation to light fireworks off.
I have taught myself everything that there is to know about this stuff.
Lawrence says he understands the danger and always makes sure his fireworks shows are safe. He also doesn't think he should be charged with a felony.
There's no accidents that have ever happened in 11 years.
Fines for illegal fireworks can range from $1,000 to $5,000. And if those fireworks somehow cause property damage or hurt anyone, violators will also be held liable. In Lake Elsinore, Tony Shin, NBC4 News.